Greetings everyone! In this video we'll show you how to install a wood stove Atom by Bereg. The Atom small stove is a versatile heating item for a tent. If your tent is designed for stove heating, the first step is to prepare it for installation. Open the stove jack for the chimney and make sure your tent has proper air intake ventilation. When choosing a tent, check if it's designed for use with a heating device. Look for a model where the manufacturer provides fire-resistant protection, especially around the area where the hot stove pipe passes through the tent fabric. For the safest setup, the tent should ideally include a metal support insert for securing the chimney firmly in place. Prepare a flat, level surface for your stove and always place a heat-resistant mat underneath it. Place the stove on its back wall and unfold the legs one by one. As you do, listen for a click or check that each leg is locked securely into position. Next, install the chimney. The easiest way to do this is in 2 steps. Start by connecting several pipe sections to build the lower part of the chimney. Then, assemble the upper part and carefully place it onto the stove. If you need extra stability for the chimney, attach the support metal cables to the top deflector before you install the upper section. The lower ends of the cables fasten to the toothed mounting system on the chimney base. Our patented chimney fixation system delivers exceptional stability. A securely fastened chimney is a critical safety feature, especially outdoors where wind gusts or accidental bumps can easily disrupt a standard setup. The stove is ready to use. The Atom small stove features a removable grate, ash pan and folding side screens. These allow you to expand the cooking surface. How to choose the right tent stove? There are a few key factors you should keep in mind. Tent size. A stove that's too small won't heat the space effectively, while one that's too large can overheat it. Tent materials and its design. These determine the required safe distance from the stove and the appropriate firebox size. Weather conditions. Factors like outside temperature and humidity directly influence the heat output your stove will need to provide. The good news is you don't have to figure this out alone. Our specialists are here to help you choose the perfect stove for your tent. Share your adventure plans with us and we'll recommend the ideal setup.